Hi, I'm Chef CJ, and that behind me is Yoshi. Yep, he's in the kitchen too. He watches me cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate every view, every time. If you like it, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. You know, that regular YouTube stuff. This is my buddy Yoshi. My buddy Yoshi. Yep. He's saying thank you too. Now, if y'all do like everything y'all see, like I said, do the whole share thing. Also want to present y'all this, which is my seasoning, 100% one of a kind made. It is better than most stuff on the shelf. I'll hit a link at the bottom for y'all to get it. It's not in the stores. Not yet anyway. Yep. Thank y'all and love life.